Risk Alive is really for any company that runs hazardous operations or hazardous facilities. And it can be anything from a fertilizer plant to a pipeline company, a SAGD facility, a gas processing plant, anywhere where there's risk. Wherever you have a threat and an impact, that's where Risk Alive applies.
I think a common perception is, oh, this is only for process safety folks, but it's not just for process safety, because if something unsafe happens, it's going to affect each and every individual working at a site or a client facility, and they might not even know that. So I think it's those kind of insights that Risk Alive can provide through analytics and help make things so simple and easy to understand that anyone who doesn't know anything about process safety can also leverage the tool and understand the threats that they're being protected from.
So process safety teams really put in a lot of effort to recognize the amount of risks that are present in a facility and document PHAs. However, it's equally important for this information to be effectively brought down to the people working on the facility.
We've created the tools that have taken the data and created it visually so that anybody can understand it, right from the CEO to the operations floor, right down to the maintenance, and even to the janitor level. We've made it so simple that when people look at the results, they know what it means and they know how it affects their specific role.